Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to our channel. So for today's video tutorial, I'll be teaching you on how to clone or duplicate an app on your phone. So to start, you must have an app called Clone App Parallel Space. So as you can see, I already downloaded the app. So if you don't have this app, just go ahead and download the app. So now let's go to the app. And then here, as you can see, I've already added an app. So to duplicate an app or to clone an app, just click on the plus icon and then you will be redirected to this page, and here you'll see all the apps in your phone. And now let's choose an app to duplicate. So as you can see, I added an app, the Instagram Lite. So let's just open that. So as you can see, I can now log in through this app. And to show you that this one is a duplicate, let's go back to my home page in my phone. So as you can see here, I have my Instagram Lite and I have an account logged into this. So let's go back to the app and I'll show you again the duplicate or the cloned app of my Instagram Lite. So as you can see here, no account is logged in into this app. So here I can add or log in another account, and as you can see, I'm using two apps in one phone. So that's how you duplicate or clone an app in an Android phone. I hope this video helped you out, and if you have any comments or questions, please do comment it down below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will always be updated with our new uploads. Thank you, and I'll see you on our next video.